could that be? Diane! Diane, is that you? Who's there? Diane, is that you? Who's there? Am I tied up? Who did this to me?
You pay for it. You must pay for it.
Why will I pay?
Spoil it now. Can't you see it's damaged?
That's this thing that don't sell down. Is it not me?
I have to pay for it.
Why will I pay for it now?
You have to pay for this.
What kind of honor is this? I would have just stood outside and be waiting for Madam Uche.
I have to pay for it. It's not a business, but you have to pay for it.
Who has to do, Madam? This cloth, I was looking at it. The thing now fell down. She said this stone that fell from it, that I will pay for it.
Ma, she was touching the dress, so the dress now fall down. Now you can see the stones.
Okay.
The thing has removed. Now she has refused to pay. She damaged it. You can see. She damaged it.
It's not me.
If this cloth fell from your hand, you have to pay for it.
No,
it's a turkey dress and you must pay for it.
But if you will not put the hanger away now.
What's going on here?
Ah, Madam Cassie, welcome.
How are you?
Good afternoon, Madam. Please help me and see this kind of problem. Me that came, I was standing outside waiting for one of my madam that said I should wait for her. I saw fine things. Let me enter here and be looking at their beautiful thing. This cloth now, it was hanging. They did not hang it well. The thing now fell on the ground. No, she said, see this small stone now. That is me that spoiled it.
And you pay for it.
Why will I pay for it?
You must pay for it.
I did not touch.
It's okay. How much is it?
It's 100,000.
Jesus, 100,000. Where will I get that kind of money?
Madam, this is a turkey dress.
Just calm yourself down, okay? I'll take care of the bill.
You will?
Add it to my bill. Yeah.
Madam, you want to pay it?
Yes, I'll pay for it.
Hey, thank you so much.
Package it and give it to me. Okay?
Madam, you said they should.
You are very lucky.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Wait. Did she say I should take the clothes?
Yes, my love.
Hey, wait. You said the clothes is 100,000 naira. This is 100,000. Hey. What kind of honor is this? I would have just stood outside there. This 100,000 naira. Now, if she give me now, I know what I would have done with it. Oh, you give me the money. Let me give you. I don't want the clothes. What's wrong? Why are you not eating? Are you okay?
The landlord was here earlier today. He was shouting, he was ranting. I mean, the embarrassment was just too much. You know, I told him that he should be patient, you know. And I gave him the one I had, you know. I told him, please, he should hold this one first. But the man said no. He wanted all his money in full. You know, that I should give him everything. I told him I've been trying, you know, because of family problems here and there. You know, that's why I've not been able to give him everything for now. But I will. The man said no, that he'll be back again. So, I don't know.
I have some money in my piggy bank. I can just break it and then see what I can gather so that we used to pay him.
No. That money is for something else. You won't touch it. No.
This is this thing I don't like with you. You're very stubborn. Let me break it down. If I don't use it, what will I use it for now? You should use it to pay the, at least it's going to help pay the rent.
Listen, I will not let you touch that money. You cannot touch that money. That money is money you have kept for your business. You understand? To open your business. No, you won't touch it. You're my responsibility. There's no problem. I'll take care of things. There's no problem.
My darling. I know. Look, I know. I understand. I know that you do so much for me. And I have to do the same for you too. It's not just about you taking care of me. I should take care of you as well. I will save up again. I know you do enough for me. The fact that we're going through a lot of things right now doesn't mean that things will not get better. That we don't have now doesn't mean we will not have tomorrow. My love, I know you want to do everything for me. You take care of me. But if I do anything, don't take it. Don't say anything bad in it. I will do anything to protect you, to protect us, to provide for this family.
I don't know what I would do without you. I just don't know. You're my strength. And I thank you for standing by me every time. This is a phase that I know will pass. Thank you. I thank God for giving me such an understanding woman.
I am very blessed to have you as my husband. You take care of me. I'm proud of you. I'm a happy woman. Thank you too. Everything will be fine, okay? See, I will save money again. It's not a problem. We'll break it, let's gather it and give it to him. Besides, this woman, Mrs. Uche paid me for the job I did last week. Remember, in this marriage, it's not about you or me. We are together. Okay? Everything will be fine. Go and eat your food. Eat.
I love you, eh?
I love you too. That's small. You're not carrying me. Eat.
You two eat.
I'll eat now.
You two hold your own spoon now.
Okay. Yeah, eat. That spoon is not full.
It's okay, I'm already eating now. Honey? Honey, what's this, please?
Oh,
Huh? I saw this and I saw this dress inside with this tag, 100,000 naira.
See, I forgot to tell you about it last night too. Do you know that yesterday I went to the mall to collect money from Madam Uche. And then I saw this very beautiful dress. Yes. And I said, let me even be looking at the dress and see. Before I knew it, something removed from the clothes. They now said I was the one that spoiled it, that I have to pay for it. It was serious argument though. I was begging them, they did not answer me. They said they are going to arrest me if I don't pay for the dress. I was begging them, they did not answer me. Then this good Samaritan just came and just paid for it and said I should take it.
Somebody just paid for it?
Yes.
Somebody you have never met before?
No.
100,000 naira dress? paid just like that?
Yes,
so this man just paid 100,000 naira for a dress for somebody he doesn't know?
No, it's not a man, no. It's a woman now. It's a woman that came to pay for it.
It's a woman?
Yes, now.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure now. I don't even know this woman, no.
You don't know this woman?
I don't know the woman. She just said that I should not worry. She paid for it that I can take the cloth.
And she paid 100,000 naira?
Yes, are you not seeing it? See the money there now. She did it from the abundance of her heart.
100,000 naira?
Yeah.
Dress. You. You know, I'm not comfortable with this story, eh? You go and return this thing. You go and return this dress.
Are you joking?
See, am I joking?
Bow.
You go and return this dress.
Me, I cannot. Where will I even see this woman to go and tell her that to take the clothes?
I don't care. Then you go and return it back to the boutique now because you can't wear 100,000 naira cloth in this house.
But the woman has already paid for it now. It's not a good Samaritan that came to just help me. How am I supposed to be looking for her now?
Linda, I don't care. I don't care. You go and return this. See, I'm going to work now. If I come back and meet you and this dress, it's better I meet only you, not with this dress.
You get you. I don't like this thing you're doing, no.
Anyway.
I'm not returning this cloth. Anything I want to happen, let it happen.
Let me even look at the address.
Somebody gave somebody a gift. Is it not a good Samaritan? See, believe me, I'm not
I know
returning
the
this
area.
cloth.
Let me just find out that you've not returned it. Let me find out you've not returned it.
Somebody that paid something from her heart. God sent somebody that paid. You said I should go and return it. Me, I'm not returning this fine cloth though. Fine cloth that I was looking. I know that I cannot afford it. This now went to spoil. It's not devil work. Me, I'm not returning this cloth though. Anything that want to happen, let it happen. This fine cloth. She paid it from the abundance of her heart. Me, it's a gift. I'll collect it, I'll keep it. Anything that wants to happen, let it happen. You come back here and meet me. I'll not return this cloth. What kind of...
You're welcome, oh. You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
You have visitor. You have visitor.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, Linda.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome. Sit down, please sit down.
Oh, thank you.
What can I offer you now?
Don't worry. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Hey.
Madam, if it's not too early to ask, because it's early morning and you came here, surprising to me. What's the...
No, don't do that.
Thank you.
Okay.
You just... We're very sorry, ma.
We are sorry, ma. We are sorry, ma. I'm sorry for asking.
No,
you understand? I just hope there's no problem still.
No.
We're very
You
sorry.
don't need to apologize.
Yeah.
You're right.
Okay.
This is an early morning visitation.
Yes.
I understand you have places to go and
Of
things
course.
to do. It's just that I have a very good information that can't wait till evening.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Good news, actually.
Good. I can do with good news now. I can do with good news. Yes.
What is it?
So what's the good news?
A friend of mine that works with the government said there's a federal government grant going on.
Okay.
So I came to tell your wife to apply. Have you heard about it?
No. We haven't heard.
Please tell us about it.
At least for once now, government is now concerned about the poor masses.
Thank you, ma.
So, madam, how does this thing work?
They say if your name gets shortlisted,
Okay.
a certain amount of money will be given to you.
Wow.
Big enough to start up a business.
Government is now concerned. Madam, we are interested. Yes, I'm interested. So how do I apply?
No, they don't need your signature, Mr. Ikechukwu. It's just us.
It's women they want to help.
Women empowerment.
This particular slot is actually for widows.
Huh?
Yes.
Wait, madam, what did you say?
I said it's for widows.
For widows?
Yes.
And you are here? She said it's for widows. Madam, and you are here?
Wait, let's...
Are you a widow?
No,
madam, what now? What would you come here for?
no, let's understand what she's trying to...
What do you want to understand? Are you a widow? You're telling me what?
It's okay, Mr. Ikechukwu. I'm not saying she's a widow or wish for her to be one. I only just mean she should apply.
Wait, they'll now give you money. You sign that I'm dead. Madam, please. I've respected you. Excuse me. I've respected you enough. Please. I think it's time for you to go. I'm alive. I'm okay. I'm not dead. I'm not dying anytime soon. If you have killed your own husband, this husband is not ready to die. Are you ready to kill your own husband like she has killed her own husband?
Excuse me, Mr. Ikechukwu. Don't think because I'm trying to help your wife and you're talking to me in that manner.
We don't need this kind of help.
Hold it.
We don't need this kind of help.
It's okay. I'm sorry. It's just that I see her as a daughter. That's why I'm here. I'm only trying to help.
Daughter, you want to kill her husband?
I'll take my leave now.
You can't reach the way you're rich.
I'm
sorry.
sorry, Mama. I'm very sorry.
Say. Don't come here again, ma. Don't come here again, please. Which one is you want to give her money to open business for her as a widow? Can you imagine? No, is that woman mad? Is she crazy?
Well, she was trying to help.
What kind of help is that? Do I look like I need that kind of help?
Did you have to talk to her like that?
Why would I talk to her like that now?
Don't you know how to speak with people politely?
Oh, okay. So you're in support of what she said now? That I'm dead and you should sign one rubbish.
God forbid. God forbid. I'm not supporting her. But what you did was wrong now. Didn't you see that? That woman is old enough to be your mother.
I don't care. I don't care.
You have to speak with her like that. Can't you be nice talking to people?
See, that was the nicest I could have been. Oh. Because normal me, I would have dragged that woman out of here. What does she mean that you should come and sign that I'm dead? This is why I don't like rich people. The only way they make money is from fraud and deceit. Stay away from that woman, oh. Be careful around that woman.
No, but I don't like the way you talk with her. I don't like it.
I've told you, be careful around that woman. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. And go and return this nonsense. Return it to.
No, what kind of thing is all this one? I mean, simple talk to somebody nicely. You know talk. I'm not returning this clothes. I'm not returning it. I don't understand the Ikechukwu sometimes. See how this clothes is so beautiful. He now wants me to return it.
But Linda, this dress is too expensive to be given to as a gift just like that.
You too. What is wrong with you people? Can't somebody just give somebody a gift? Does it have to look like it's a privilege all the time?
You don't belong to the league of the less privileged. Last I checked, your husband can afford 3 square meals. You have a roof over your head. You are not naked. And what makes you think that you're one of the less privileges?
Wait. So this life I'm living right now is okay? You think I cannot be better? Really?
I will advise you return this dress because he won't let you keep it.
I'm not returning it. Okay. Can you help me sell it in your shop?
No.
Why now?
I sell fabrics, not already made clothes.
I know now, but it's something that if you keep, one of your customers can just come, you will show them, they might like it. If they don't want it, you can return it. It's not a problem.
It's okay. I'll try.
Thank you.
Stop doing that face like that now.
Please, Joe. Somebody. So you mean that okay? Because the woman is a rich woman, she cannot just give somebody give me something. Take, this is a gift.
I just said I will sell them for you.
God will bless the woman for me. Here's the money from my piggy bank. Plus the money Madam Uche gave to me.
Okay, hold on. Let me arrange. It's okay. Put this one first. Okay.
Wait, let's remove the 500.
Give me the 500s.
I'm coming.
Give me the 1,000 first.
Okay.
Give me the 1,000. Put it under. Wait, this one. This one.
This one. 500.
The 500s.
500.
And put the 1,000 under.
Count it.
Okay, then. Yes, this one should be enough now. It should be enough for him. We have tried now. We've tried. This can't talk anyhow.
This one now.
Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't worry about it. If I will start another one, I'll collect another one. Because I've broken this one now. I'll collect another one.
Thank you so much. This one
is it?
This one will be enough. It will be enough. It will be enough. He has to accept this one now. See this 500. This person.
It's not from me.
So one stupid man. It's from me. The man didn't pay me with his whole mind.
I need to go and be preparing food for you.
Food is ready, eh?
No, I have not finished though.
Okay, all right. Wait first. Hope you have returned that dress. Have you returned the dress?
I have returned the dress.
You're sure?
I have... Hey, I've returned the dress. Maybe you say I should return it. I've returned it. Please, go and pay this money.
Why, Yoma? Very good, eh? Okay, oh. That dress must not sleep here. Oh. She has even made me lose count, Seth. Start from the beginning. Oh. Darling.
Yes.
Please come, please, come.
I'm coming.
Come, please.
My love.
Yes. I was able to, get some money off the money I give landlord. So please,
okay.
yes, use the money and arrange something for us to eat
For
this
food?
night. Yes.
Hey, things are very expensive in the market now. But...
Just manage this now. Manage this. Foreman said he will pay us today. Yes, he said so, even though I don't believe him, but he said so. So let's just try and have faith. I believe you can do something with this now. I know you now. I know my wife.
I'll try. I understand that things are very hard, and I'm even happy that you even saw this.
I just know you can do something with this. Just try. Go inside of the market, get something. Please, I believe you can buy something.
I will try.
Take care. Stay safe.
All right,
my
thank
love. Okay.
So I want to cook soup now, but I'll buy egusi, buy pomo, buy meat. This one will not be enough. But I think I'll just Ozioma, my friend.
Good afternoon.
See your big shop after night. If I tell you to give me money, you tell me that you have not seen money in your life.
My dear, you will not understand my line of business. Do you know that I collect most of the clothes on credit, sell and return to the owners?
Did you have new arrivals?
Yes, I'm trying to take records on all of them.
Ozioma, please, I don't know if you can borrow me some money. There's no food in my kitchen, so that I'll buy something, even if it's 500 or 1,000 naira. Ikechi could just give me only 1,000 naira when he was going to work today.
It's okay, just come. Take.
All this for me?
Oh, you don't want?
I want. I'm just wondering. I didn't give you any money to keep for me.
I sold the dress.
Oh, you did already?
Yes.
That was so fast though. Hey!
One of my female student customers knows the worth of the dress and she bought it.
Hey! Some people have money. In fact, there's some people have money that they don't even know things to do with.
You envy them?
It's not like I envy them, but I just wish to be like them sometimes. Have all the money I want.
You don't need to envy those people. If you know what they go through to make that kind of money, you will run.
Yeah.
They come outside in the open, look like they're okay. But you don't know what happens to them behind closed doors.
That's true. Thank you so much. Yeah, lifesaver. Let me hurry to the market.
Please, bring my own food after cooking.
Don't worry, I'll dish your own first.
All right,
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, my love. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I have this one here. Yes. My love. Where did you get money to buy all this meat now?
My friend Ozema gave me some money. She gave me 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira.
She gave 5,000 naira? She gave you or you borrowed from her?
No, it's that show. She dashed me. She said, take it. Take it. Yes, nah. Yes.
Ozoma is a nice friend, though.
Yeah, she is a very nice friend.
No, nah. This is delicious.
I'm so happy you like it.
I love the food.
You see, I like it.
My love. You see, I'm even making plans for you to get one small space near our workshop. Yes. So you can start your food business.
That's good though.
Yeah. I've already told the landlord.
Okay.
Yes. You see, imagine you now have a shop there. Because, yes, now you know from that our shop, our workshop, down to the bus stop.
Oh, okay.
No food vendor. So imagine you have your own place now. And see how much money you'll be making. You'll be selling food to the mechanics. You'll be selling to bus drivers. You'll be selling to keke drivers.
Yes, so keke people.
Yes. Even students. No, I don't worry. I have plans.
That place is good though. But how are we going to pay for that place?
Relax.
You know, I've not finished paying the landlord for the money for rent.
Relax. When there's life, there's hope now. Relax. Do you think I won't have money? I have money now.
You have money, my husband.
Then I'll give you the best things of life.
I know.
Just calm down, relax.
That place is nice, so if you...
Yes, and be a good wife.
I'm a good woman.
I know.
That place is very nice, because see, okay, I remember that. There's no shop. There's no food.
No shop there. No shop.
So if you open a shop.
All this meat. I know Ozioma is a good friend.
I'm so happy you like it.
I love the food. I love the food.
Hello? This is Linda, the girl from the boutique.
Oh yeah, start the car. Wait, it's okay. Give me 10T.
Okay, sir.
Guy, fast, man.
Give me 10T, Jack.
No mind that boy. No mind them.
Oh, that's Tochi. Good day.
Why, Emma?
Good day.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
You're welcome.
How is the work now?
You can see now.
My love. What are you doing here?
I brought this for you.
Thank you. What would I do without you?
It's not my darling husband. You know that I was just going to Madam Uche's place. I said, since I'm passing through this place, let me just bring something for you.
Okay.
Remember the last time you told me that people used to buy food is very, very far.
Yes.
So I just say, let me cook and bring for you.
Oh, my love. Thank you so much.
No,
so you're going to that woman's place?
Yes, I am. I'm going,
Why, Emma? That's very thoughtful of you.
No
Thank you so much for
the food. Is for two of you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Are you sure?
I made enough. It's plenty.
You're sure?
Yes.
It's enough?
No problem. It's enough for two of you.
Okay.
People buy food very far.
No problem. But as you're going to that woman's place, don't sign anything. No. Please don't sign anything. No. You know now. You know.
Okay,
you know.
I understand.
You know. All right.
My handsome husband.
Be safe, eh?
I will.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Just take care.
All right, bye-bye. Have a nice day, Oga.
All right. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Ikechukwu,
Sir?
You're really a very lucky man.
She too, she's lucky too now.
She's lucky.
Yes, now.
To have a mechanic as a husband.
Engineer, sir. Engineer.
Engineer?
I went to school, sir. Engineer, sir.
You went to school as an engineer and you're learning mechanic.
Oga, I'm an engineer, please. I'm an engineer. I went to school, please.
So after going to school, you now came to serve under somebody who did not go to
sir,
school?
Sir, I'm an engineer, sir. It's government, sir. I'm an engineer, sir.
Start to get a motor and welcome.
Good morning, ma.
Linda, you are here.
Yes, ma, yeah.
Okay.
How are you, ma?
Fine. Can you please help me get my glasses over there?
Oh, okay.
Hey, I've been trying to read a message my son sent to me.
There you go, ma.
Thank you very much.
Ma, I'm very sorry about the things my husband said to you the other day.
No, don't worry. I've already forgiven him. But why is it that he doesn't like people helping you?
I don't know. I'm sure he just wants to make his money by himself.
That's not bad, but poverty is not something people should be proud of. Huh? You're a beautiful, smart lady. You deserve a better life. Huh? I wish I met you earlier before you got married to him. I would have made sure Obinna, my son, married you. Huh?
Thank you so much, ma. Thanks for everything. Thank you for your love and your support.
It's okay, it's okay. I have soup in the freezer. You can make gari for yourself and eat before you start working. Hmm?
Thank you, ma. Okay.
Linda.
Oga, I have rich uncles, so rich uncles, very rich uncles, I'm telling you, but you see, those people, if they give you anything, everybody will hear. They feel too entitled. You understand? That's why I don't like them.
Really?
Yes, nah. Ha, very rich people. I'm telling you. Give me 13. You dey mad?
That's it.
Bring. That's why you want like this. Okay, this boy don't go make am for this shop, oh.
No mind am, now make you go fry hair.
See, my friend bring 13 now. Go fry hair. Idiot. Okay, so you see, those my uncles, those my uncles, those people, if they give you anything, everybody must hear. See me, I want to be a self-made man. Yes, I want to be a self-made. If they made money by themselves, me too, I can make by myself now. They have one head, 2 hands. I have 2 hands too now. So why can't I make my own money by myself? For what reason? So, Oga, that's it, oh. You see me, give me 24. So the thing is, Oga, you see me, I want to tell my children that their father is a self-made man. You understand? Self-made. That nobody gave him, nobody made him. You understand? And they should learn that way. They should be self-made.
Listen to me, IK.
Yes, so
it doesn't work that way. See, you need someone for you to meet somebody who will eventually introduce you to somebody. And that is how this chain will go on and on and on till you become someone.
Then I'll be indebted to all of them. No, I'll be indebted to every one of them. Give me shifter. I'll be indebted to all of them. Now? No, that's what you're saying, Ogana. So I'll be indebted to all of them. I don't want to be indebted to anybody. I want to be self-made. Oga, self-made.
Well, your own is good though. But you will do me a favor.
Yes, Oga.
Just introduce me to one of your rich uncles. Just one. Maybe he will give me a loan and I will spend my garage.
Leave these people. Leave those my uncles. Leave them. Those people are not good. Those people, they don't have joy. They don't have joy like nest of kin.
Forget the joy. Let them give me the loan. Meanwhile, if you finish tightening that one, you start the car.
Oga, I'm almost through.
Let's hear how it will sound.
I'm almost through, Oga. I'm almost through.
Start the car. Wait. Start it again. Start it again.
First.
It seems the battery is down. Okay. Wait. Rev it a bit. Okay. It sounds good.
I hope you're watching. Oh. I went to school for this thing. Oh.
It sounds good, just like a new one.
Okay, you know my work now. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. You understand me?
Meanwhile, okay, when are we eating our wife's food?
Okay, you see?
Our wife's food.
Okay, I better go. See, okay,
Make I go drop the tools.
you dey mad? My friend, get out of here.
I know as long as she's concerned. She's a gelato one for you.
Okay, please, which one is our wife again now? That's our wife, this is my pride, oh. My woman is my pride, oh. It's my wife, oh.
But don't forget, my name was mentioned in this food.
We eat it together, but this one, don't be calling our wife. It's my wife.
So, it's your wife?
Yes, sir.
And so you eat it without me?
I will. Okay, I'm lawyer now. I'm lawyer, sir. I'm lawyer, sir.
Ma, I'm done.
So fast?
Yes, ma.
Okay, please come and check these clothes. You will like them. They are that of my late daughter.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. How did she die?
She died in an auto crash on her way to Kano for its service.
So sorry.
She was full of life and dreams. But it was God's truth. Sure, ma'am. Oh, let me not bore you with unimportant conversation.
No. It's not a problem, ma. If you feel better talking to me about it, I'm here, always ready to listen.
Please take. These are her favorite clothes. This one, I bought it for her on her 20th birthday. And this one, her elder brother bought it for her. She loved them so much.
They're very beautiful. Are you giving them to me?
Yes, Linda. You see, I now see you as a daughter. That is why I'm giving them to you. They'll be good on you.
These are supposed to be something that will remind you of her. Do you have to give them to me?
No, Linda. It's been 2 years now since she died. I have to move on.
These clothes are beautiful and very expensive.
Of course. You can also come and check these ones. You will like them. No, please. For nothing. Stand up. Please, have them. Okay, you can. Yes, all these ones too. Take them home and check them when you have time.
I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Please, Linda, stop. Stand up, please. This is nothing.
Yeah, my brother. Oh. Yes, so yes. I don't know. This light situation,
Nah.
it's a problem. My dear.
You're back.
My wife just came in now. I'll call you back. My darling.
You came home early
Yes,
today.
so yes. Oga Tochi said I should go home, that I have overworked myself, you know. At the point in time, I was even sleeping.
See this thing. See what Mrs. Uche gave to me.
What's this now?
Clothes now. It's for her later daughter. I said I should take them and try all of them. Anyone that size me, I should take it and wear.
Wait. So you now go around telling people how things are bad for us? No, you go around telling people that we are now struggling, isn't it? What's wrong with you now? What's all this now? What's all this? No. Why haven't I want you not to take this on that woman again?
No, this one now. You know, I went to work for her now. And she said that these clothes are just there doing nothing. That
And you accepted the clothes. So your own poverty has reduced to the level of you collecting dead people's clothes.
Why is something like this?
What kind of embarrassment is this now? What's this now?
It's not a gift. She said I'm like a daughter to her now.
And you collected her dead daughter's clothes.
But there are fine clothes that.
See, hey, listen. Don't let these things enter my house, oh. These things must not enter my house.
Kechuku, don't do this now. But these clothes are fine now. Very fine clothes. Dead people, is it not somebody that gave something out of the love in her heart? Me, I like this clothes too. I like this clothes. See this fine clothes that she gave to me. What are you doing? Ha, Kechuku. What are you doing?
You're not collecting dead people's clothes.
What are you doing?
It's dead people's clothes you're bringing to my house.
Don't do this thing you want to do.
Dead people's clothes.
This thing you're doing is not good. Don't do this kind of thing now.
You're carrying dead people's clothes. Dead people's clothes.
This thing you're doing, I don't like it. What are you doing now? This clothes that they gave me.
If you touch me again, you're carrying dead people. Come on, say one place.
I don't like it.
Dead people's clothes. That's what you're carrying. You're carrying dead people's clothes. Yes. Come on, move from here. You're carrying dead people's clothes to my house.
This woman gave me this cloth out of love, but she said it was for a dead child. Now listen what you have done. I cannot see anything to carry from inside. My God will not forgive you. My God will not forgive you for this you have done.
I need something beautiful that she will like. I want to sew something nice. Her birthday is coming up and I want something unique for her.
All right. How about this? It's a very nice fabric.
This. I think she will like this one and it will go well on her skin.
It's a very nice one.
So how much is a yard?
8,200.
8,200. So complete like this, how much?
This 6 yards. I need to check it.
Okay.
Come this way.
Okay, 7,200.
200. Yeah.
All right. Go package it for me.
It's a very nice fabric. Make sure I give it to a very good designer so they don't destroy the fabric.
Sure, I will.
Okay.
Yeah. You can keep the change, man. Don't bother giving me that shit. All right,
Okay, thank you. Come back next time, oh.
Sure, I will.
All right, thank you. You look so horrible. What happened to you?
Ikechukwu has done the worst though.
How dare he lay a hand on you?
He did not hit me.
If he didn't hit you, then why are you looking like this?
He burnt the clothes Mrs. Uche gave to me. Ha! Before you start thinking I go about begging people for things, I did not beg her for anything. No. She just gave me the clothes. What is paining me is that she loves that clothes so much, and she gave it to me knowing that I'll make good use of it.
But you should have rejected it. Eh? You should know Ikechukwu by now. He doesn't like you going around collecting things from people. Eh? You shouldn't bruise a man's ego like that.
Wait, are you saying that he was right to have burnt the clothes?
That's not what I mean.
Then what are you saying?
All I'm saying is that you shouldn't have collected the clothes. You're my friend, I will tell you the truth.
Ha. Please give me your phone. I want to make a phone call.
Who do you want to call?
Are you giving me phone or not?
Take.
Hello, Richard. Oh, you have credited my account. Thank you very much. Of course, I'll get back to you once I get the alert. All right, have a nice day. Bye. That was Richard Go. He said he has credited my accounts.
I know, I could tell from the way you were smiling.
You know that.
So, have you confirmed the alert?
Not yet, but I trust him completely. Of course, it's gonna drop. Hey, girl, I need more girls.
Of course, trust me on that. You know what I can do.
Mm-hmm.
So, have you heard from Chief?
Not yet, but we are seeing tomorrow.
Good.
So, like, how many girls can you get from now till Friday?
Say 2 girls.
2.
Don't worry, you like
It's okay then. Can I see their pictures?
Sure.
Please let me have a look. Oh, I think I like this one. I like this.
Trust me now. I like her too. I trust what she can do.
You know what I'm
She'll
saying?
make us cool cash.
Of course, she's gonna
Because that's
get
what
cool
you
cash for me. You know what I like now. You know?
Trust me. That's actually your name.
Oh, sorry. Just let me pick this call. Hello? What? Okay, just wait for me there, okay? I'll be with you shortly. I'm coming right away. All right. Babe, I have to dash out now. Okay?
Run
Let me
along,
get my
babes.
car key.
Have fun.
You're welcome to my home.
Place is very fine though.
Thank you.
Hey, let me remove my slippers.
No, please do sit down, okay?
House is very fine.
Thank you. This is actually one of my properties.
Yeah.
Yes, so please do make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what can I offer you? Like, I have alcohol and non-alcohol.
No, nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Who is she?
Her name is Linda. She's my friend.
Your friend?
Yes. A new one, actually. Her name is Linda. Linda, meet my friend Diane and my colleague.
Good afternoon, auntie.
I'll be outside.
Not to worry, okay? She's usually hostile on strangers. Don't worry, very soon she'll warm up to you. So, why did you say you want to see me?
I'm actually in need of a job. I can do anything. I can wash plates. I can clean your kitchen, wash your clothes, cook food. I can even wash your car. I'll clean the house. So if you don't have a help, I can be your house help.
Is that why you asked to see me? Because you need a job?
Yes, now it's very important to me.
Anyway, I already have one.
Hey.
She usually comes and goes every weekend. But if you don't mind, I can teach you how to make money.
Hey, I'm ready to learn. I can do anything. See, poverty has eaten deep into my life and my soul. I want to just liberate myself. Anything you tell me now, if you teach me, you will not regret it.
Are you sure?
Yes, but what kind of job do you do?
Anyway, I'm into exportation business. I export and import goods.
Hey, that's a big job.
But not to worry. Okay? You need to go freshen up because you look like damn.
Oh, don't worry, I'll bath when I get home. It's already getting late.
No. You're not going anywhere. You're spending the night with me here.
Hey.
Remember, you said you have a long story that you want to discuss with me, and that will be after dinner. Okay?
But I...
So, no buts. No buts, okay? You're spending the night here, and that's fine.
Hey. Hey.
What is the problem with you? Don't you like her?
At all. I mean, what are we supposed to do with her? She's nowhere near what we need.
She's beautiful. All she needs is a little touch over. And she's good to go. I leave that to you.
No way.
Yes way. You have eyes, but you can't even recognize any good thing if you see one. If well groomed, this girl, she's going to make us millions of dollars. I mean pounds. Mr. Ahmed, he rejected the first and second batch of pictures we sent to him.
But at least he didn't reject all.
1 out of 30. Girl, we are not making any headway. You need to start doing something.
Oh, so you think Mr. Ahmed would accept her after rejecting classy-looking girls?
No way. Babe, let's try first. There is no harm in trying. Okay? She's in there. So please, go do something.
Wow. It's going to be a long night.
Ozioma, good afternoon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ikechukwu.
Yes.
What are you doing here?
Please, have you seen Linda?
She was here a while ago and she left.
She was here
Yes.
and she left.
Uh-huh.
I don't understand. Please, where is this girl? Where is this girl?
Ikechukwu, please sit down
Forget
first.
about sitting down, please. I'm not here to sit down. I don't know, where is this girl? Because I've been worried. She left home this afternoon and, I've not heard from her. I've not, heard anything. I don't know where she is. So I've been very worried.
She made a phone call with my phone.
Okay.
I asked her who she was calling, but she was so discreet about the call. And I don't know her whereabouts.
Who did she call?
I don't know.
You don't
I
know?
asked, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. She deleted the number immediately after making the call.
She deleted the number?
Yes.
After using the phone, your own phone, to make the call?
Ikechukwu, say, if I know where your wife is, I will tell you, okay? I'm actually worried as well.
Ozioma.
Okay, Ikechukwu, just sit down. Let me get something to cool off.
Forget about this seat. Forget about this seat. Ozioma, please now, talk to your friend now. Linda is now very stubborn. I don't know where she got this attitude from. She keeps defying everything. Everything I say, she will just say no to. I don't understand. She doesn't listen to me anymore. I don't know my wife anymore. Talk to her now. I don't understand. Do you know that the worst part is that she goes everywhere telling anyone who cares to listen how bad things are for us? Am I not trying? Everybody knows I'm trying. Even you know I'm trying now.
Ikechukwu, I know very well. I understand what you're going through. I know you're trying. But believe me, I talked to her as well. But she wouldn't listen.
You talked to her, but she wouldn't listen?
She wouldn't. I talked to her.
Okay now, so please, just... because the worst part is I don't know where to find this girl now. Where is she, please?
Okay, do you know what will happen? Just go home. She will come back. She left her very, very angry. When she's calm, she'll return.
Okay, please, just tell me where she is now. Just tell me now. Shoma, please now. Don't give me high BP now.
Hi. I don't know. If I had the number, see, I would have given it to you now. Where is the...
Ozioma, I know you women. You know these things now. You know where this is. You know where she is now. Tell me this thing now. Please now.
Just go home. Okay? Go home. She'll return back to you. Just go and relax at home. She'll be back.
I should go?
Yes, just go. I believe that when she's calm, she will return.
I should go.
Just go.
I know, I will go. But if you know where she is, please just tell her. Tell her to come back home, please. Because I know you know. I know you know. Please.
Go. Is it safe?
Here. Change into this.
Thank you.
And for the records, I do not like you one bit. I don't even know why Cassie picked interest in you when there are thousands of girls out there begging for this job. I just hope you don't blow it up.
This is a blouse. Where is the skirt though?
Right now, she is not here.
At your age, why would you be lying like this? No, see, you've caused enough problems for me already. You've caused enough problems in my home. Please, tell my wife to come out. If not, I'll go in there and drag her out myself.
What nonsense? Young man, listen. If you don't leave my house right now, you won't like what I will do to you.
What will you do? No, what will you do? I'm shaking. I'm afraid.
You've gone mad.
Of course I'm mad, I'm mad. I've been mad ever since my wife started coming here to sweep nonsense from this place into my home. You understand me? I've been mad, I've been mad. See, I've warned you. Stop giving my wife things now. We are okay. Her husband is alive, even though you wish him dead. He's alive. We are not beggars. I am not a beggar. I'm not a beggar. You understand me? Just please bring my wife for me. Let me go. What is this now?
Oh. I see where this madness is coming from. Poor man. Getting drowned in an ocean and refuse to be saved because he feels he can do it on his own. Look at you. Will you get out of my house?
I'll get out of here.
Get out of this.
I'm not leaving here until you bring my wife out.
Leave my house.
I will not leave this house. I will leave this house.
Leave my house before I call the police.
You say?
I will call the police for you.
You call? Police, for what? Please, just tell my wife to come out, please. Just tell my wife. Linda, let's go. Which one is police again now? Oh, no.
Young man, leave my house.
Linda, there's no problem, Linda.
If I get my...
Linda, there's no problem. I dash you. Since you don't want to get married to me again, I dash you to this woman. You understand me? Linda.
You're still here.
Okay, Linda, there's no problem, Linda. Since you now
Young man, leave my house. Stop shouting here.
Linda, since you now want to be married to this woman who wants to call police for your husband, no problem. I dash you, my wife. You understand me? Happy married life to her. Enjoy her on my behalf. No problem. My fellow man. Enjoy my wife for me. You understand? Linda, I'm going. I'm okay. Enjoy my wife for me. Happy married life.
There's no problem.
What is doing to you?
No, there's no problem now. I've dashed you my wife. Enjoy her. You understand?
Get out!